gonna be honest. You're not tired, you're lazy. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine Marie. If you are new here, hey girl, hey. And if you're a returning subscriber, what's up, sis? Welcome back. So it's been a literal minute since I've sat down and filmed a like chit chatty video. I've been doing a lot of vlogs, but I want to say it's been almost 2 months since I like chatted it up with you. So I'm excited to be back today. First things first, y'all already know the drill. If you are not subscribed to my channel, baby, pause this video, go subscribe, like, comment that you are here, and join the Jazzy family. It took me a minute to actually even want to film a video or be on camera because of different reasons, but I am back today to show you how you can become the best version of yourself. And let me tell you, I wasn't even planning on being back on YouTube anytime soon, but this is going to also hold me accountable. So I got you if you got me, okay? Happy New Year. Oh my God, happy freaking New Year. I didn't even, let's rewind. Happy New Year. Oh my God, it's 2025. Like, that is insane. But one thing about this year, and that I love about the new year and how it brings so much clarity and it just inspires you to do better, we are going to have the best year of our lives. And it starts with us. It starts with you, sis. We are going to make sure that everything that we do sets us up to achieve every single goal that we have, and we're gonna do it together. The thing I love about the new year is just how everything is just new. You get a chance to start over, and I'm just excited to create habits that are going to help me be the best version of myself, health-wise, mentally, in literally in every aspect of my life, y'all, because I have been struggling. And you know what? I realized that I'm not tired, I'm lazy. You're not tired, you're lazy, sis. The hardest part about taking accountability is taking accountability, literally. I'm not tired, I'm lazy. Like, I want to just lay down and rest. Let me tell you, one habit that I have adopted since as long as I can remember, and low-key, high-key, I know it's because of childhood traumas and different things. When I became an adult and to a point where I was able to do for myself, it's like everything became, I'm an adult, I can do it if I want to. I'm an adult, I can eat this if I want to. If I want to have 3 sodas, I can have 3 sodas. If I want to eat this, I can eat this because I'm grown. That's a habit that I wish I would have never. That's a dangerous mindset. We're changing all of that in 2025. We're not staying in a place of telling yourself that something that you're doing is okay to pacify another thing, you know. And I'm not gonna go into Bible. I'm not gonna go Bible on y'all in this episode because I'm still learning. I'm a baby. I'm a newborn. No, I'm doing things that I want to continue out throughout the year so that I can literally be, I just want to be the best version that God wants me to be, the version of myself that He sees me as, that I haven't even, it hasn't even registered in my mind yet. Let's talk about New Year's, because I love that I've like started doing this for New Year's. I know a lot of people do like the vision boards and all of that stuff. No, for the last 2 years I have created a prayer board, and so I'm gonna show you guys the board that I created with my bestie. I was going to do like a small little gathering with my homegirls, but I wanted it to be really intimate and just someone who I can like really trust. So I called my bestie. I had this whole little setup. If you follow me on Instagram, I definitely posted over there a reel which went kind of viral, of us creating our prayer boards, and I love it. So here's my board. I'll just smack myself in the face. So this is my board. I went to Hobby Lobby and I got like the cute little stickers and letters, the board itself, and then I went to Walgreens and printed off like some of these Pinterest like cute little sayings, and I I love this tradition because, so for me, my prayer board, I know there's like many different types that you can do. I've seen the ones where you do like envelopes and put like your goals and stuff on there. For me, a prayer board is to remind me when I'm feeling weak, when I'm feeling sad, when I'm feeling happy, when I'm feeling lost and confused. I put some of my favorite scriptures and important scriptures on the board so that I can go and look at this board for that spiritual motivation. It's nothing about really things that I want per se. I'll show you guys what else we did for that aspect, but the board literally is just for me to come back my board and be reminded of all of God's promises. So the first thing that I'm going to talk about is getting into my daily word. So every single day, what I've been doing is making sure that before consuming the world, I consume the word. Because normally and naturally, a lot of times I would just wake up, grab my phone, start scrolling. I'll be on Instagram before 6 o'clock. And it's like, girl, you're not really, I'm trying to tell myself, like, again, trying to create better habits. I'm not missing anything. Being off of social media, I'm not missing anything. Like, I don't have to spend so much of my time. And so a lot of the times I'll try to set like I'll say a hard goal, which is to not be on social media at all. And it's like, that's not even necessarily the problem. It's just when I first wake up, in order to set myself and my day up, I need to consume Jesus in the word. So what I've been doing is waking up, getting out my Bible, getting my devotional. And y'all, I hate to say this, but it honestly worked so well for me. I got my iPad. And my little pen, baby. I be going to town. This has helped me so much. It's like, girl, this is all it took. And and I hate to say that because it's like, you don't need this. You don't need this. But I love it. There's so much that it's just, I'm actually like writing my notes. Let me show you my notes. My notes go crazy. Like, these are just some of them. Like, there's so much. I do my sermons, like my church notes on here. I do everything. Right now I'm reading Joshua. So I have my notes that I have questions about and things that I'm reading that are standing out to me that I'm not sure about. I love this thing. So yeah, waking up, the first thing that I do is getting into my word. Okay, get into your word, sis. And for the short amount of time that I've tried this, it has made such a difference, especially mentally. Like, my day goes so much better. Like, girl, I would never lie to you. And with the first thing is to not consume social media until maybe like lunchtime, 10 to 12, around that time. So my job is I have a busy job, but usually when, I'm at work, I'm on my phone, multitasking, scrolling. But lately I have just been keeping off of my phone until I go on my lunch break, just to like prepare my mind and to make sure I'm focused. And it's really been something that I've been proud of doing. So instead of like saying, I'm not gonna be on social media for 15 days, I'm giving myself a window to kind of be on social media, and then like say from 12 to 5 to 6 I'm on my phone, and then after that I'm not. You have to give yourself boundaries. Like, setting boundaries with yourself is okay, and it's much needed. It's so necessary, even when it comes to being on your phone. I'm learning to just sit and to be still. I know we hear that term a lot, just be still, but you really have to do that. And then I talked about staying off my social media accounts until lunchtime. Y'all can take that however and do whatever with it, as long as you're just giving yourself time. Give yourself an hour or two to just be focused on your day. Number 3, setting up your day with a morning routine. Having a morning routine that you can actually stick to, and it's purposeful and it's nothing too like far-fetched. I promised you, you're going to be able to stick to your goals. So with that being said, like with my morning routine, so what was I saying? Yeah, I get distracted so easily. The third thing that I'm gonna do, the third thing that I've been doing to kind of make sure I'm being the best version of myself is making sure I'm making healthier eating choices and doing things that make me happy. So even me filming this video for you guys, this makes me happy. I used to be hard on my YouTube, on my social medias, which that is kind of a back burner thing now. But do things that make you happy, going on walks, reading a book. I've been reading more, even with the iPad, like drawing and just playing games. Like, it sounds so old, y'all. Like, I be on there at night playing games. Like, do things that make you happy, and I'm going to do that this year. Like, that is one of my many goals. But also making healthier eating choices. So I mentioned earlier that I haven't even really been wanting to film content because I'm not happy with myself. Like, look, yeah, it took everything in me to film this video. But this week, specifically for this week, I have been doing amazing. I would like to say I have been meal prepping and having like set times where I eat and just taking in and doing healthier things, because like I said, I have really got into a mindset of, oh, if I want it, I can have it. And that is so dangerous, and I don't recommend. That does stem from like childhood and not being able to have a lot of things. So even that, I don't want to go too deep off into it, because that can really go for a lot of things. Shopping, you know, certain things that I do or that you do. It's like a lot of stuff comes from childhood and we don't even realize it. But yeah, making healthier choices. I have like my protein, I'm trying to up that. I will be getting into the gym, but I want to really kind of charge up and change up the eating first. That way it's something that I can gradually just like sustain. I've been doing 2 eggs in the morning, and then like around 6:37, and then I'll have my yogurt around 9, my high protein 0 sugar yogurt, either like a protein bar or something, and then lunch will be meal prep. And then in the middle of the day, I actually really haven't even been hungry, but you can do like popcorn or fruit or whatever, and then you have your dinner. So I've been sticking to it, and it's actually not hard. And when I want an ice cream sandwich, I'm gonna eat an ice cream sandwich or whatever. It's just all about moderation. So setting yourself up, y'all, to just be better, to be the best version of yourself. Having a skincare routine, having a bath shower routine, like all these little things are going to make you feel like the best version of you. So let me know if you try any of these tips and tricks. Oh, and before I end this video, I want to share with you guys this little jar. So also me and my bestie made our prayer board, but we also made sure to have personal goals that we did not speak about, that we put in this jar. So I got these jars off of, or at Hobby Lobby, and I think it's so cute. And I wrote down some personal prayers. You can put as many as you want, and then for each prayer we filled it with mustard seeds. I don't know if you guys can see in there. Y'all can hear it. We have mustard seeds. My husband just got home, so this is closing up right on time. So in here I have my little personal prayers and requests and some mustard seeds to go along with it. And y'all, that just makes me so happy. You know, in the Bible, one of the scriptures, one of my favorite scriptures is write it down and make it plain, y'all. Speak it. Speak what you want out into the world to God, so he can hear you. Now, he already knows your heart, but he also said write it down and make it plain, because it will happen.